Welcome back to my channel with two nice little speakers. Speaker 2 is so you can easily take it anywhere. So let's start with number 1. It's WTS, true wireless stereo and multicolor changing LED lights and much more in this speaker. The TWS function allows you to pair two speakers for a powerful 10W stereo surround sound. Specifications: Bluetooth 5.0 technology, fast and stable connection, 1.96 inch small body with amazing loud and clear sound, built-in mic for hands-free calls, linear design, ultra lightweight, portable to go anywhere, easy to carry, 33 feet wide, wireless range, wide compatibility like iOS, Android phones, laptops and Eco series, auto-changing multiple color LED lights, a virtual force, magnetics can be attracted to any flat iron surface. These product details: brand LFS, model name Magnetics, speaker type outdoor computer, connectivity technology Bluetooth. Special feature: Magnetics waterproof stereo fairing. You can see how beautiful this speaker is. That's all about this product. One thing at this stage of the video: if you like the video, then subscribe the channel.